Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. We're here today with Manny from Tall City
Tall
Tint.
City Tint, yes.
He has two locations, one in Midland, Texas, one in San Antonio, Texas. And what we've done today is we've added something to the RV to stop the summertime temperatures from increasing the heat in here. So stand by and we'll be right back.
Yeah, this is what takes the longest, is cleaning all this little glue on the edge.
Yeah, that's the most important step right there is...
Yeah, because if not, the tint won't really stick to that.
What we've decided to do, we're going to try and remediate some of the heat inside our RV. These big windows you see here, they're just glass. They amplify the sun rays that come in. The radiant heat is what helps increase the temperature inside the RV. So on our truck, I had a ceramic nano window tint put on the truck, and it was tinted to legal requirements, 20%, I think. And it drastically cut down the heat. I mean, you can't feel the sun beating down on your arms, when it's up on the windowsill and that. So I got to thinking, if it did that well for the truck, why not try and do it on the RV to help the radiant heat from coming through? Because we're going to spend the better part of the summer out in the Southwest in Utah, Arizona. So that's where we're at. We're having zero tint, ceramic tint put on the fifth wheel, so we can still see out when we boondock, but in theory it should block some of that radiant heat, so we can leave our windows open without the shades, basically. Really can't even tell a tint difference.
No. And I mean, you can tell but it's being the ceramic, it's going to reduce roughly 35 to 40% heat, and it's got the infrared also.
I know on our truck, it's drastic.
Yeah.
I mean,
yeah.
I was shocked. Manny, explain what we did today and the reasoning behind that.
Well, we added a clear nano ceramic, or like a 70% on the windows. It's what is used on your front windshield of your vehicle, but also can be used as commercial residential. It does reduce heat, UV, and also it increases or reduces infrared heat, which is another source of heat. Not the main source, but it helps out. So it's going to keep your RV somewhat a little cooler, especially in the summer.
So I know we added this to the truck and it drastically cut the temperature coming through the windows. Now, I know that some people have done it. Matter of fact, you've done several RVs in the past in this way. What do you think the likelihood of this actually stopping the radiant temperature coming through the windows so that we don't have to keep the blinds closed all the time?
I mean, it'll help out. Of course, like it's impossible to block out all the heat. Like in a very hot, of course, here in Texas, 100-degree weather, it's still going to get hot, but it's going to help it to maintain, because it's like an insulation. It's going to help maintain the interior cooler at that steady to where that thermostat isn't going up and down, you know. So it's going to help out tremendously.
And just so everybody knows, we did not get a discount or anything. We paid full price for having this done. Manuel was, gracious enough to come out to our site and do it. And from what I can see, based off of other tint jobs that we've had done on cars and everything else, flawless execution from the removal of the screens, no bubbles, no streaks, no mess left afterwards. So if y'all are in San Antonio or Midland, Manuel, tell them how they can get in touch with you.
You can call either the Midland store, 432-212-3612, or the one here in San Antonio is 210-868-3228. I do have Facebook page for both businesses, Tall City Tint and Tall City Tint of San Antonio, and websites for both locations as well. And
we'll put the details in the description of this video. And Manuel, thank you so much for doing this for us.